Begin by finding a comfortable position, somewhere you'll have peace and quiet to yourself. In this meditation, you'll be supported and understood. You'll feel safe and open to love. Close your eyes and notice how you're breathing. Now take a deep breath and hold it for a few seconds. And exhale. Keep your breathing at a slower pace if it feels good. Breathing slowly, taking your time. If there are any tensions in your body, they are beginning to soften. Your body is becoming soft and heavy and relaxed. Feeling into whatever it is that you need unconditional love right now. You let it all out. If only you can be seen and accepted as you are. Being unafraid to feel into the need. At this moment, you are a child. Breathing and feeling hopeful that you are supported by the most meaningful, most unlimited source of love possible. Perhaps today we call this source the Great Mother. A source that holds a great capacity of love and understanding. Any of us can feel longing for the Great Mother when we don't know what to do with our pain or with ourselves. She is represented in many ways, one of which is the Mother Earth. The soil that holds us, growing food that feeds us, a force of nature that quietly supports us, even if sometimes we forget she is there. As you drop into her embrace that is this earth, your vulnerability continues to surface. The undesirable emotions you wish you wouldn't feel, the earth has seen it all. Everyone you wish to blame, she has seen it all. The fear of not overcoming any of this. She has seen it all. Slowly, the Great Mother begins to lift you up into the air, up to the sky. You see individual people moving about, each with their troubles. Then you see the collective in its harmony. The dynamic equilibrium continuing to seek out the answers. The Great Mother gives love equally, so everyone continues on a path of their own highest good. You recognize your wounds and that you are a work in progress worthy of love. The Great Mother is with you. Her unconditional love is within everyone, including you, her beloved child. Slowly, feeling like a child who has received full attention from its mother, you find courage to come back to the present moment. With 3 breaths, you'll come back to your present self. Taking 1 breath, settling back into your physical body. Another breath in, feeling fresh new energy coming in as you breathe. One more breath, bringing back all the healing to your present self. When you're ready, open your eyes. Welcome back.